need to fetch user profiles dynamically without building a full REST API. You'll see how FastMCP's resource templates let you expose parameterized data endpoints with a single decorator. The pattern extracts variables directly from the URI, so you can return structured user data with minimal boilerplate.
At MCP, resource, users/user ID/profile. Def get user profile, user ID, int, dict. Retrieves a user's profile by ID. Hash the userid in the URI is extracted and passed to this function. Return id, userid name, fuser userid, status, active.
This demonstrates the resource template pattern for creating parameterized data endpoints. Unlike static resources that return fixed data, resource templates use URI path parameters to dynamically generate responses, enabling a single endpoint to serve many related data requests. The distinctive aspect is how the framework automatically extracts and injects path variables into your function parameters. The pattern works by combining URI routing with function decoration, where the URI template defines variable segments, like userid, that map directly to function parameters. This creates a clean separation between the data access logic and the routing configuration, while type hints ensure parameter validation happens automatically. The framework handles the URI parsing and parameter binding, letting you focus purely on the data transformation logic. This approach solves the common problem of creating scalable data access layers without repetitive endpoint definitions. It's particularly valuable for APIs that expose hierarchical or relational data, where you'd otherwise need to manually parse IDs from paths. The trade-off is that complex parameter validation requires additional type hints or custom validators. But for most CRUD-style data access, it eliminates boilerplate while maintaining type safety. Let's break it down line by line.
At MCP, resource, users/user ID/profile. Def get user profile, user ID, int, dict. Retrieves a user's profile by ID.
This decorator registers an MCP resource endpoint at users/user ID/profile, mapping the URI path to this function. The userid in the URI becomes a parameter, automatically extracted and passed to the handler. This is FastMCP's URI template pattern for clean, type-safe routing.
Hash the userid in the URI is extracted and passed to this function. Return id, userid name, fuser userid, status, active.
This implements the resource handler pattern. The URI parameter, userid, is automatically extracted and injected as the function argument, while the return value becomes the HTTP response payload. This clean separation between routing and business logic enables maintainable API endpoints. Resource URI templates. The URI template syntax in FastMCP transforms Python functions into dynamic, addressable resources where path segments become function parameters, enabling clients to request specific data variations through structured URIs. Path parameters must exactly match function parameter names, while wildcard parameters capture variable length segments as single string arguments. The URI template itself becomes the function's public contract, defining both its address and its interface.
The resource that names its path becomes the path itself.